Good morning to all. I am Dhanya Mohan from St. John's Public School. Today we can start the textual exercises and you can check the PDF and you can take page number 11. So in this page we are going to discuss about adverb. So first of all, what is an adverb? Adverb describes an action. Here I will read a sentence from your textbook. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. The word completely is an adverb. The word complete is an adjective. When you add ly to it, it becomes an adverb. And next exercise that you have to do yourself, because you are given some adverbs in the textbook and you have to find out the same sentences from the textbook. So only by reading the textbook you can find out the sentences using these adverbs. And next exercise is, now you use these adverbs to fill in the blanks in the sentences below. So in order to do this exercise, you should know the word meanings of these given adverbs, and you are given adverbs like awfully, sorrowfully, completely, loftily, carefully, differently, quickly, and nonchalantly. First two questions I have done for you. And the first one is, the report must be read dash so that performance can be improved. And the answer is carefully. The report must be read carefully so that performance can be improved. Second one, at the interview, Samir answered our questions shrugging nonchalantly his shoulders. Okay, nonchalantly meaning without showing any interest. And the rest of the 6 sentences are your homework, so you have to do it yourself. Next comes, make adverbs from these adjectives, and you are given adjectives like angry, happy, merry, sleepy, easy, noisy, tidy, and gloomy. So before doing this exercise, all these given words that end with a letter Y, and if an adjective ends with the letter Y, you should change that Y into I, then add ly. Then you will get the answer, the adverb. And first two I have done for you. Angry, angrily. The word angry ends with the letter Y. So in order to form adverb from that, you have to change Y into I, then add ly. Next one is happy, happily. Okay. Next is page number 12. In that exercise 2, Roman letter 2, if not and unless. First of all, I will read sentence from your textbook. Imagine that Margie's mother told her, you will feel awful if you don't finish your history lesson. Second sentence, you will feel awful unless you finish your history lesson. Actually, both the sentences convey the same meaning. First one with the if not, and the second sentence is with unless. Notice that these sentences have 2 parts. The part that begins with if not or unless tells us the condition. So that put forward a condition, and two parts are there in these sentences. First one is condition and the second one is possible result. So when we use if not or unless, that clause is a condition and that is in simple present tense, and the possible result is given in simple future tense. For example, there won't be any book left unless we preserve them. So future tenses, there won't be any book left unless we preserve them. So unless we preserve them is in present tense, and the possible result is there will not be any books left. Next one, you will not be learn your lessons if you don't study regularly. So the condition is if you don't study regularly, and that is in present tense, and the possible result is you will not be learn your lesson, and that is given in future tense. Next one is, Tommy will have an accident unless he drives more slowly. So unless he drives more slowly, that is the condition, and which is given in present tense. And what is the result? The result is Tommy will have an accident. And next comes the exercise. Complete the following conditional sentences. Use the correct form of the verb. So first 2 I will do for you. Okay, first one is, if I don't go to Anu's party tonight, and that is the condition, and result should be given in simple future tense, and the result is she will be upset or she will be angry. Okay, either you can write she will be upset or she will be angry. Then second sentence, if you don't telephone the hotel to order food, and that is the condition, and that is given in simple present tense, and the result, you may be hungry or you will be hungry, that is in future tense. Okay, and the rest of the 3 sentences are your homework. And the next one is writing section. In this we are going to discuss about formal letter. 2 types of letters are there, formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter is also known as official letter, and informal letter is also known as friendly letter or personal letter. Here in this unit we are going to discuss about formal letter. So in formal letter, you have to write addresses of the sender and the receiver, and salutation, body of the letter, and closing phrases and signature. That means at first you should write your address, and from the left side itself you can start, and you should mention who you are. You should introduce yourself at first, so that you have to write your address at first, your address. Then after that leave a line. Then you have to mention the date that you are writing that letter, and again leave a line. Then the next line you have to write the addressee's address, that means the receiver's address. After that, salutation, dear sir or madam. Then comes the body of the letter, and finally closing phrases and signature. Closing phrases you can write yours sincerely or yours faithfully. Then comes your name and signature. First of all you should put your signature, then write the name. Okay, that's all about format of formal letter.